Hi everyone, this is Raj, and recently a word called Manus or Manus AI has been creating buzz over the internet like DeepSeek has done. So they are saying that we have trained models and developed AI that can do futuristic things as of now, and this thing as in private beta testing mode, and they have shown some use cases. Those seems futuristic. If you run any of the case, it shows running bash code, generating Python script, running Python code, and lots of futuristic things. So obviously on GitHub people have come up with OpenManus. This claims to do similar kinds of things. So let's see if we can run it, and if it stands on what they say. So here I am on my terminal, and let's clone the GitHub repository. So I'll say git clone. Meanwhile, let me show you another tool. There is a tool called UV, which is built on top of Rust. It is Python environment management package, and it is very easy to install on Mac and Linux and on Windows as well. Once you install it, you can create virtual environment. You can change Python version, install packages and stuff like that, and it seems very faster in all the things it does. Okay, so you can check this out as well. Meanwhile, the repository is being cloned. Now I'll go into that and open Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me do this. Now, since if we come here into readme file, there is an installation step and it needs Python 3.12, but if you look into my machine, I have 3.10.12. So what I'll do is that I'll use UV to create another version of Python and create a virtual environment using that. So for that I'll say UV venv Python hyphen Python 3.12, and I hit enter. It will download the Python version and then create the virtual environment as well. So I'll activate the virtual environment, and if I do Python now, you can see I am on 3.12.9. so this is very convenient way, even convenient than Conda and other things. So once you are in virtual environment, it says run this command. Okay, so I'll run this, my bad. I'll run this. You can see how faster it is. It parallelly install all the things. So if you are used to install things using pip, you will find this very helpful. It says that copy into something like this. So I'll just do that manually. So under config, there is this file. I'll copy it and paste into the same folder, and then rename it with config.toml file, and it says that under that file add these things. So I'll add these things. It says provide your API keys here. So meanwhile this is being installed, let me copy my API keys and add it there. Okay, then I'll come here and add it here as well and save this. And you can see all the things, all the packages are installed. It says once the packages are installed, do this thing. I've done that. And either you can do this way for unstable version. So this is unstable, but this seems stable. So what I'll do is that I'll clear the screen and I'll say python main.py. Hopefully it will run few things. Okay, let's start with get me latest news from India, and it has started. It has done Google web search. Request processing completed, but I'm not sure what tool terminated, specific tool terminated task. Okay, it says that you can visit these websites and get the latest news. Okay, I'll say, so one of the example on the website says run SEO on website HTTPS. So that's my website, and let's see how it, oh my bad, python main.py, and then I'll add this into it, and let's see. Okay, looks like playwright was just okay. So it seems that yeah, let's do this. Playwright install, and let me stop this. I'll install playwright's things. Okay, let's see how it goes after that. So meanwhile, let me copy the question itself. So my question was somewhere around here. Okay, run SEO on. Let me copy this. Okay, it is downloading all the different needed things. Okay, it says that do this thing. I'll do that very quickly on my specific machine. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, it says that your OS is not officially supported by downloading. Let's try running the main file again. I'll say run SEO on my website. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think it is now working. It has opened browser. It went to my website. Okay, it has done browser tool completed. You can see browser executed few things. It executing step number 3. Okay, it has okay, found many things. And it says that okay, proceed. Manus inside here is some. Okay, it has terminated. Okay, it says that request processing completed. Here is the thought. So it seems like you are reiterating the capability to okay, but I'm not sure where the thing went. I'm not sure. It has created something. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, I'll not this, I'll say run SEO on my website rajkapadia.com and save the results in markdown file. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, it again went to my website. That's good sign. Okay, it has extracted all the things. Okay, it has terminated, it has done that, but it wasn't able to run the. Okay, here is the markdown. Okay, content. So I think it has only downloaded the content but wasn't able to create the report itself. So I'm not sure, maybe they are developing this thing, and in meantime and in future they will update this as well. So I guess it seems futuristic. It has promises, but I'm not sure these things are going to work in a way that we think in near future. I'm sure there is technology that is coming and that will help us do these kind of things in future, but not at this very moment. I may be wrong, but that needs to be figured out. So I guess it seems they have made some promises, but they are, I guess, working on it. So hopefully they will work on it and will get a better Git repository that can replicate the actions performed by Manus, and we will have OpenManus itself. So we are looking forward to it. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.